Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how to restore a deleted invoice in Wave. Now unfortunately Wave doesn't have a restore feature for deleted invoices. However, you can recreate the invoice manually using the same details. All you got to do is go to sales, and then on the invoices you're going to click create a new invoice. Now you gotta re-enter the client's details, the line items and dates. And if you've exported a PDF previously, you can just use that as a reference. Now, though Wave doesn't offer a direct restore, recreating invoices helps to recover lost data. In the next video, we're going to explore how to handle refunds in Waves, so stay tuned to that if you're interested. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.